Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to share some happy mail with you guys. Now, I got this package yesterday from my sweet friend Linda. And you guys, I tried so hard to save it, to open it with you guys. But my moods yesterday just weren't having it. I just dug right through it like a beast. And it's so funny because I sent her a DM and I was like, oh my god, I have pictures of how cute it was packaged. But I don't have pictures of, I'm not going to have a video actually, of actually opening the package because I teared through it like the wildebeest that I am. And she started cracking up. But you guys, it was just so tempting. I couldn't take it and I just had to go through it. But I will show you how she had it packaged. She had crinkle paper, of course, and a bunch of these little tissue paper confettis. I packaged this up because, you guys, I save all my crinkle paper that gets sent to me in packages because I can reuse it in other packages. She had a bunch of stuff wrapped up. This wrapping paper is so cute. So she had this one. She had stuff in this little baggie. She had stuff in this little packaging. In this packaging. And then there was like a little smaller one. But that one was tiny. But yeah, you guys, she had it wrapped up in super cute packaging. And there was more little packages like this one. This one I actually didn't open because I was able to sneak a peek through there. So I figured I can check this one out with you guys. Is my camera focused? Are you sure that you guys can see? Sometimes when I hit the focus, for some reason, I don't know why, like darkens up my video. But look, you guys, she sent me candies. I'm going to show you guys everything she sent me. This was another packaging that she did. And there was like, I forgot what was in here. I think it was clips or something like that. I think it was this little bag of clips. But how cute this little clip. Isn't that pretty? And the little bag is so cute. Definitely saving that. She sent me these metallic craft tape, so washies, and I don't have this. I don't have any metallics like this. Thank you so much, Linda, if you're watching. This is so cute and the colors are adorable. I love that. And you guys, I have this Golden Days by Amber LeBeau, is it, collection, and I don't have the letters. So she sent me the alphas. Can you guys see that? I love this collection. It's so pretty. And she sent me the alpha little pack. Thank you so much, girlie. She sent me a sticker book. This video is annoying me because it's not focusing the proper way. But look at this. Look at all these stickers. And you get word stickers, which I love. Look at that. Sent me this whole sticker book. She sent me some pink peeps. Yummy. She sent me some lollipops. This cute little like cardboard bunny, and it's like iridescent on the ears and the bow, the cheeks, and the little bunny tail. So cute. And then in this little carrot box, which is adorable by the way, she sent me candies. Can you guys see that? She sent me candies. I tried to hide it from my daughter, but I know she'll see it tonight. She steals all my candy. And then there was this little envelope right here. And in here, I think it's a rosette. She made me a little rosette. How beautiful is this? Can you guys see that? Isn't that pretty? So cute. I love it. And here's this little package that I saved. And we're going to open. I love this tool. I'm going to use the scissors to cut through this. you guys. Oh, she sent me some of that. Oh. Excuse me. Look at this. The little bling wraps. How cute. I had posted that I was looking for this, and she sent me some. Thank you. Ooh, I've never seen this. Look at this. Their eyelashes ribbon. This is so cute. I love this. Where'd you find this, girl? So cute. And then she sent me some of that thread for like the embroidery hoops or tassels. Look, you guys. How cute is the packaging on these? A little floral tape. These are so cute. I love the spring colors. Hoo-hoo. I got me some goodies. And you guys, she sent me the cutest card. Isn't this cute? It says, "Cue the confetti." So cute. And then the last thing she sent me is this super cute, like, loaded envelope. See how pretty that is? I love how she decorates with those flowers. I love it so much. And inside, it says, "Please don't rain on my parade." And then she sent me some cutouts of these beautiful flowers. And then some little cut-aparts. Some more little cut-aparts. She made me some more of those, excuse me, Maggie Holmes flowers. Which she sent me a few already, and I just don't like to use them. Because I really want that punch, and I still don't have it. Look at these butterflies, you guys. How beautiful. And she sent me a face mask, which I don't have, so it's going in my collection, not to be used, because if I have one, I don't like to waste it. I know I'm weird. And this is what her little loaded envelope looks like. She made me some rosettes. She made me these super cute embellishments. And she sent me some of these labels. Aren't they cute? So yeah, you guys, that's everything that Linda sent me. Thank you so much, girly, if you're watching. Like always, oh my god, my throat is so dry. I love your packages. They're amazing. You're super talented. You guys, I'm going to have her link down below. Definitely go check her out. Go follow her page. And yeah, you guys, that's it for my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.